Hello everyone, welcome to the AI and SDLC updates. This time we will be covering last 3 weeks update, top 7 updates from last 3 weeks. We are recording this video in a natural setup and you can see a lot of trees around. Anyway, without ado, let's discuss about the updates. At number 7 we have Anthropic's Project Glasswing and Cloud Mythos. There's a lot of buzz in the industry about Mythos, right? So you will be hearing a lot of news, both positive and negative, about this model. So what makes Cloud Mythos so important? In short, it's a model very good at identifying vulnerabilities and exploitations, not just vulnerabilities, that's the difference here. So it can identify patterns or a chain of vulnerabilities that hackers can be exploited. So it can think like the hacker and identify exploitations in the system and provide fix for that. So that way, since it also has the coding capability, the time from fix to patching can be reduced a lot. Okay. However, Anthropic has not released this model. It is given to a closed set of companies and they are fixing or trying out this model on various famous softwares or their softwares to identify and makes a software defensive system using AI. Let's hope that in future this will become public and every company will have access to it. At number 6 we have OpenAI Codex Plus Workspace Agents. So what is Workspace Agents? It can help you address a lot of routine tasks, like it can watch your Slack and look bug reports. So OpenAI is moving from personal coding help to team scale SDLC agent. So there are agents for coding, tests, reviews, documentation and task execution. So Workspace Agent makes AI collaboration more persistent and shared across the team. So these agents can be reused by multiple teams and they will have a standard operating procedure. So the enterprise impact is that team can delegate more delivery work. It's like another agent teammate for you. But you will need stronger approvals, repo permission, traceability and agent play. It comes with all the risk of giving full access to your code base and your probably the deployment environment to agents. So the shift for engineering leadership is from tool adoption to agent workflow governance. At number 5, we have Anthropic Cloud Security Public Beta Release. If you remember, 1.5 months back, we discussed about it when this product was launched. It's an end-to-end security solution for managing your code and application securely. It analyzes your code for patterns and identify bugs and fix it automatically. So it reduces the end-to-end security fix time. So from the time this tool was launched, there were a lot of other announcements from other competitors. All major competitors have announced similar tools, and even security tools started integrating AI models to do similar stuff. However, this Anthropic's cloud security is known for its capabilities, and it's good that it's available in beta release now. So for enterprises, like, it is going to give them faster triage and a patch for most of the secure code fixes. At number 4, we have Google Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform. As the name indicates, it's a platform for managing enterprise agents. So they say it's an evolution of Vertex AI, and it has a lot of capabilities like agent governance, agent registry, agent orchestration, agent-to-agent communication, etc. It comes with a fully packaged solution for managing your enterprise agent. So story is less about a demo and more about a controlled agent platform layer. As think about the Kubernetes example, where there were a lot of pods, then you need to manage an application, then Google started using Kubernetes. Similarly, this is like a platform where agents can be deployed, governed, etc. So for engineering teams, they should watch how to get platforms integrate with existing cloud and data controls. Agent sprawl is becoming a governance problem, so enterprise need identity, observability, policy and evolution built in. So this product is solving that particular problem. At number 3, we have OpenAI GPT 5.5, a new model from OpenAI. Stronger model layer for execution heavy agentic work. So this time OpenAI's new model is focusing more on workflows and agentic development use cases. So it improves agentic coding, computer use and complex knowledge work. Raises the ceiling for coding, testing, analysis and workflow automation. So it does better than 5.4 in all these areas. So for enterprise, like more and more agents are getting released or new better agents are coming out, but for their existing agentic systems or existing prompts to work, they'll have to retest and try out before blindly adopting these new agents. At number 2, we have IBM Bob. IBM positioned Bob as an AI-first partner for full enterprise SDLC. While it comes with an ID interface, it's not just an ID. It has persona-based agents for various phases of SDLC. For example, one dedicated agent for coding, one for testing, one for planning, etc. Also, it supports multi-modal orchestration. While it supports multi-modal orchestration, the documentation doesn't have clarity on what all models it supports. It says it supports cloud models, IBM's certain models, and Mistral's open source models. So probably we'll get more clarity about other models availability in future. And also the model you cannot configure, it seems. All the model usage happens via IBM's platform. So basically this tool is again targeting legacy application rewriting, like COBOL application, etc. It can easily rewrite. So it is going to be beneficial for companies. While there are other competitions, I would say it's IBM's addition to the AI agentic development SDLC platform. At number 1, we have AWS plus OpenAI on Bedrock. So OpenAI models, codecs, and managed agents enter the enterprise AWS path via Bedrock. So all these products, basically their models and codecs platform, both CLI and IDE, will be available on Bedrock, making it easily accessible for developers. So for development teams who uses AWS platform for development and deployment, they can use OpenAI models without much friction. OpenAI not only the agentic development platform as well. Until now, anyone who has to access OpenAI products, either they have to buy a subscription directly or access it via Azure. Now, via Bedrock, the teams that use AWS can also easily access OpenAI capabilities. A big game changer for OpenAI, I would say. The friction is taken out. So for leaders, this is about scaling AI safely through existing cloud governance and platform engineering. What that means is you can continue using IAM, you can continue using Lambdas or your AWS Inspector, Guard Duty, everything you can continue using, and you can use OpenAI's capability for developing applications and agents. That makes it a very important update. Coming to the quote of the week, this quote was made while announcing IBM Bob, made by Christina Adams, an AI strategist at CDW. So thank you for listening in. We will be making the updates bi-weekly now to give more in-depth and relevant updates instead of every week. So subscribe for more such updates. See you again.